How to tackle double bedtime with a toddler and a baby. Bedtime with 2 kids and 1 parent can be daunting. It's challenging to manage double bedtime on your own, but it's doable. Here are some strategies to help. Tackling bedtime alone with both kids can be overwhelming. It's difficult to find an evening routine that works for everyone. The baby's feeding schedule can interrupt the toddler's bedtime routine. Attempts often end in meltdowns for everyone involved. The level of difficulty of double bedtime depends on the age of your youngest child. Baby wearing and bouncer seats can be helpful. Staggered bedtimes can make things easier. Special screen time for the oldest child can give you time to deal with the baby. Sleep training the baby can help them fall asleep independently. As a last resort, everybody can climb into one bed. Double bedtime will get easier and harder at different stages. As your firstborn gets older, they become more cooperative and helpful. Phases don't last long, so don't worry too much about the next one. Managing double bedtime alone is challenging, but with the right strategies, it's doable. Remember to be patient and flexible, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. We are here for your help. Comment with your problem. Use the magic link in the first comment to find the best products for your baby.